Hello guys, what's going on? This is KRS. We are back with another video and this is the WTU part 5. So let's check it out. What are the new updates and let's start the video. Starting off with some Google updates. Google Stadia first has approved a certain thing which is very interesting. Now you can play the certain games without inviting the player. As the player is online, just put on the request and play the game. This will be a huge update and coming up with the game like Far Cry 6. Another update is from the Pixel Fold. There are news that it will come with the same megapixel camera which is 12.2 which was in the Pixel 4a or we can say 4 or 5. And another update is that in the assistants of the Google Assistant, they have removed the news update, which is the interesting news because Google hasn't mentioned anything about the news update to remove, and they have done such things. So it is interesting. If you are using the Pixel 6 or 6 Pro and the fingerprint is broken, the battery will be disavailable. This is a certain things happen to the couple of users. So make sure and keep the safety first of using the Google Pixel 6 or 6 Pro. Talking about the Asus ROG 5S, which is a well-known phone and the successor of the Asus ROG 5. If you have not seen the video, links up in the iCard. And this is seen in the Europe, which is interesting thing because this phone is not going to launch in much states and in much countries because of chip shortage issues, and there are also leaks that it will not come in India. This phone is having triple eight plus. The feature is the processor, which is very powerful. Only one changes is there, which is of the processor. All the certain things are similar to Asus ROG 5. Nintendo OLED has a launch couple of days we can say, but Nintendo is not satisfied with that product. We can say like that because they are planning for the Nintendo 4K, which will support a 4K game in that small portable gaming console, and it will be very exciting. It will be expensive from the OLED. Let's see what will be the price, and they are planning that it will become in late 2022. They have not announced yet, but they are telling it will be not be coming very soon. Nokia X100 is a 5G phone, but the cheapest. They have partnership with the T-Mobile, and the price is $252. It is coming with the Snapdragon 480, which is a 5G processor. You'll get 1080p Full HD plus display, 48.5 plus 2 plus 2 camera, and third storage variant is only one, which is 6 plus 120. This is a very interesting phone and it is a budget phone. So if you are interested in some 5G phone, this is perfect for you as the budget. Ecobee is the monitor or we can say security camera which supports the monitoring sensor inside it, and it is little bit expensive because it comes with the pricing of $260, and you have to pay extra $10 each month if you want the monitor security. So if you are interested in such types of security camera, you can check it out. This OnePlus Nord 2 is coming with the brand new edition which is named as the Pac-Man edition. And if you are using the OnePlus Nord 2, here are some interesting specs. You can check it out this video, and you should be very careful because the situation is very bad of this phone. Certain phones are blasting, so be aware of using this phone. And another news is coming from the OnePlus upcoming 10 series. The Pro variant is priced around 80,000 rupees, we can say like that, rumored up price. And I think it gonna be competing with the Vivo X70 Pro Plus because both are coming with the same price, but there is one advantage. that in OnePlus you will get the latest processor. There are rumors that is Snapdragon 898. Infinix 11S, the successor of 11 or we can say 10. This phone is very interesting, coming up with the processor G96 Full HD plus display, and not confirmed yet. It is supporting 90 Hz because G96 has the support of 90 Hz. You'll get 5000 mAh battery, full 1080p display, and the charger inside the box is interesting because it is 33 watt and 50 megapixel camera 2 plus 2. So this is all over the interesting phone, and the prices are going to be start is 70,700 INR rupees, and the variant will be only one or we can say two, which is 4 plus 128 or 6 plus 128, not yet confirmed. Original Apple computer build, which was built by Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak, is a very great part of the history, and the prices are going to be start, which is of 4.4 crores INR rupees, which is very expensive. And the another news is also coming from the Apple, which is a Type C iPhone, which was auctioned in eBay, and now it is sold, or we can say the bid is going on, which is of $86,000, which is of iPhone X Type C one. Chip shortage has always been an issue, which is coming with the Samsung also. The upcoming S22 series will be having the chip shortage, and the another thing is this phone will launch at the February, and will coming with a very expensive and has the S Pen inside, so Note series will going to be killed after launching S22 February. Stay tuned till that date. You can check it out. The brand new, and it will be coming with the processor of the Exynos 2200 and Snapdragon 898, the latest one. These are the rumor updates, and the January will coming with the S21 FE. There are also leaked that this phone will be coming with the 888 processor, and will having the Exynos also, which is of 2100. And the last, there are leaks that the Exynos series, which is a 2200, will having the LPDDR5X RAM and will having the speed of 8.5 Gbps, which is the greatest speed. Motorola H30 Ultra or Motorola HX, whatever you can say the name, this phone is very interesting. It will be the flagship phone by the Motorola, and the selfie is highlighting feature because this phone will be supporting of 60 megapixel selfie, and the backside camera are of 50 plus 50 plus 2. These are the rumor of leaks, and there are also chances that this will also come with the Snapdragon latest one, which is going to be launched very soon, is 898. Windows 11 SE, the cheapest laptop by 11 SE series, or we can say of Microsoft. This laptop will be coming of the price tag of $260. After converting, it is less than 20,000 INR rupees. This is very interesting laptop. I have mentioned all the details in the tech news. You can check it out in iCard. This also links in the description. This is going to be very good laptop. Redmi 11 series is coming soon in 2022, but 11T is going to be launched really soon. These specs are similar with one of the phone which is launched in India, and it is an Indian company. I will make this video very soon, and after this tech news, the next video will be of that phone. The specs are Snapdragon 810, 50 megapixel camera. This is the one change which the phone I'm telling is different from the Redmi 11T, and 5000 mAh battery. You will get full HD plus display also, which is of 90 Hz. Not yet confirmed it is IPS or AMOLED. So this is 11T, and let us see what the prices are of this phone. It will be very interesting to compete with the phone which I'm telling, and the video will be coming soon. Two phones of the Oppo are rumored up, which is Oppo Reno 6 Lite It will be coming with the 48 megapixel triple camera, and there are chances that it will be having the Qualcomm as per the leak. And the other is Oppo A55s, which has the also same 48 megapixel camera. These are the listed phones, and might become or might be not. Last news is by the Xiaomi soundbar, which is a very great soundbar. It will be having 430-watt output, which is the expensive one. Dolby Atmos, DTHX will be the certain features. It will be easily connected by the NFC to the other Xiaomi products, and will have the wireless subwoofer, which is very interesting thing. So this is very interesting soundbar and will be coming soon. This was the all greatest news which I got and which I implement in this video. Hopefully like this video, subscribe, share, press all to bell notification so you never miss any other updates. Coming soon with another video.